Prakash here from prakashevs.com. Welcome to my Doodle Maker review. In this video, I am going to show you what Doodle Maker is and how it works. Doodle Maker is a software that lets you create doodle videos. Doodle videos are the whiteboard animation videos. It is a hand drawing out the text and images on the screen. I am sure you have seen these videos on different social networks. So Doodle Maker lets you create these videos easily, and within minutes you have a professional looking doodle video. These videos are very popular right now in every industry, and you can also make some easy money by using this software. There are different websites on which you can register the service, and then people will pay you for offering these services. I'm going to show you how in my bonus video. Make sure you check them out. If you're watching if you're into teaching or training in the corporate world, or also into marketing, these videos are going to help you a lot in delivering your message. If it sounds like something you're interested in, then click on the link down below in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, that's going to bring you through to my bonus page here. And if you scroll and click on these yellow buttons, that will take you through to the sales page. I don't want you to miss out on the bonuses that I offer, because I have spent a lot of time putting these bonuses together so that you can get the best out of the Doodle Maker software. Now, you're not going to find these bonuses anywhere else apart from via my link, and that means that they are exclusive to me. And let's go through these bonuses one by one right now. Welcome to my bonus page. My insane bonus bundle. You just have to come down my bonus page to just scroll down, and you find my bonuses listed there. Bonus number 1, I am going to show you the 9 secrets of ranking YouTube videos. These are the exact same strategies I use to rank on YouTube. I have put the complete tutorial inside of this first bonus, so that's the one way you're going to make some good money from Doodle Maker. This is valued at $427 US. Bonus number 2, valued at 87 US. In bonus number 2, I am going to give you access to 500 music tracks for Doodle Maker. If you're going to make doodle videos, you're going to need some background music. You can get these tracks through this bonus. Now, these are the yellow link buttons what I'm talking of. If you want to buy the copy anywhere in the middle, you can just press these yellow links and it will take you to the sales page of Doodle Maker. Now let us go to bonus number 3. The bonus number 3 is valued at $344 US, and I am going to give you access to the ultimate ways to get traffic to your Doodle Maker pages. So in this bonus, I am going to show you how to get traffic to these pages. Now coming to bonus number 4, which is one of the very good bonuses what I given, is valued at $300 US. This is how to make money from these Doodle Maker videos. This is a tutorial showing how to get set up so that you can start making some easy money from Fiverr and other websites like Upwork. So yeah, this is bonus number 5. These are all the vendor bonuses. The bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you. Now there are a list of 10 bonuses. Bonus number 1, 21-day video mentorship training. Bonus number 2, Skype mentorship group access. Bonus number 3, video agency biz bundle. Bonus number 4, artificial intelligence logo creator. Bonus number 5, 80,000 content engine library. Bonus number 6, Doodle Maker agency website. Bonus number 7, Doodle video framework scripts. Bonus number 8, royalty free music tracks. Bonus number 9, Doodle Maker success case studies. Bonus number 10 is the video summarizer app. So you're going to get all these from the vendor. You're also going to get access to my custom bonuses. All of these are yours 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you. Even if you pick up the front end, which is going to be only $47, and you get access to all these bonuses as a part of your purchase. So claim these bonuses 100% of free of charge and instantly delivered to you. All you need to do is click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. It's going to bring you to the bonus page like this. This bonus page is going to bring you. Simply scroll down this page at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 1st of September. Click on any of these yellow links. Any of these yellow buttons, and it will take you to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick up the Doodle Maker. So if you're wondering where you can get these bonuses, you just have to, after you make your purchase from the JVZoo, it's going to take you to a page like this. JVZoo. Then here on the right hand corner, you're going to find a button called looking for your purchases. Now click on this blue button on the top. It will take you to your purchases page. Then you're going to just scroll down a bit and see where exactly your Doodle Maker video comes in over here. So just take your Doodle Maker site, and here you're going to click on the corresponding view details button. It will take you to the exact page where you have purchased. So this is going to come congratulations on your purchase. You scroll down below. Here you're going to access your purchase, and then here you're going to access your bonuses. Here is going to be written bonuses from Prakash. Here you can just click on this button and it will take you to the bonus page. Yeah, so let's go to have a look at the product page, and like I said, the sales page will be live at 3 p.m. Eastern Time on the 1st of September. The product page is going to look something like this. The revolutionary next generation Doodle creator powered by artificial intelligence. This is the world's first Doodle video creation software that uses intuitive artificial intelligence to allow anyone, regardless of technical skills, age or design skills, to effortlessly create a spectacular, realistic and professional Doodle videos in over 60 plus languages within minutes. So this is the sales page or the product page going to look like this. And I'm not going to spend any time on this, so that you can come back and check this on your own time by visiting my bonus page via the link down below. If you press this link, it's going to take you to the sales page where you can read all this at your own time. Let us talk about the prices and upsells now. The prices and upsells are the front end of this particular Doodle Maker software is going to be $47 US. The enterprise version is going to be $67 US. Now all you need to do is to click the link down below. Here, click this link down below, so that it takes you to the sales page, and where you can purchase a copy of this Doodle Maker software. Now coming to the other upsells. Upsell number 1 is Doodle Maker White Label Unlimited. It's going to be $497 US. The front end Doodle Maker, of course I told you this, and now the white label is going to cost you, I'm just read a description, little thing. Sell your own best-selling Doodle Maker app as your own and make it and keep 100% of the profits. Rebrand with your own logo and branding to make the app your own. Unlimited sub accounts, set your own price, done for you VSL, and no monthly or yearly fees. This is your upsell number 1. Upsell number 2 is Doodle Maker Deluxe Upgrade, which is going to cost you around $49 US. Upsell number 3 is 39 US Toon Video Maker app, and upsell number 4 is client engine app, which is going to cost you 29 US dollars. Now there is also a demo video on my there's a demo video on my bonus page, and you can check this out. Here it's a good demo video which tells about a lot about this particular software. And don't forget to check out my bonuses, because I've spent a lot of time to put them together so that you can get the best out of this. All these are going to be 100% free of charge if you just pick up only the front end. All these bonuses are going to be 100% free of charge if you're just going to pick up the front end, which just costs you around $47. And that brings me to the end of this review. So thank you very much for watching my Doodle Maker review. And if you find this review useful, kindly consider subscribing to my channel to see more review videos like this. Thank you.